Assalamualaikum. Dear student, today we will learn about the chapter number 5, linear equations and simple inequalities from book 1. First have a look of exercise 5a topic, that is linear equation in one variable. First of all, what is linear equation, that we will learn about. That the linear equation are the first degree equation because the highest power of the variable involved in these expressions is 1 only. Now there is a difference between expression and equation. Expression is maybe like 3x minus 2 or 3x plus 5, 6 minus x, etc. But when we put these such kind of equation equal to something, this is called equation. A statement which states that two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. And specifically, linear equation in one variable is the equation involving only one variable in its first order. First order means again the first one part is called a linear equation in one variable. The examples are 3x minus 5 equal to 0, 8 minus y equal to 2 and 7 plus a equal to 15 minus 3a. These all are examples of linear equation in one variable. Properties of an equation is that if we are going to add or subtract something on both sides of that equation, then it remains equal. Again, if we are going to multiply or divide something on both edges of the equation, the equation remain equal to each other. To solve an equation, first is that to solve an equation in the form of x plus a equal to b, that something is added to x and that result as b. For example, x plus 4 equal to 10. For that reason, we need to separate x. We will take either 4 on the other side, or we can subtract 4 on both sides to get an answer, that is x equal to 6. The second form, that x minus a equal to b, something is going to subtract from x, and when we move it to the other side, it will be added. So to remove minus a from x, we will add a on both sides. In the examples, y minus 6 equal to 5, we will add 6 on both sides, so y equal to 11 as the result. Third form of the question, to solve an equation of the form ax equal to b, something is multiplied with x, we are going to separate x, so we will divide the whole equation by the number that is written with x, that is called the coefficient of x. Here 3x equal to 9, coefficient of x is 3. We will divide both sides of equation with 3 and hence the result is x equal to 3. The form of the equation, if x by a equal to b, something is divisible by a by x and we have to separate x. We will take the denominator to the other side and it will multiply with the b value, that is 6 over here. So x equal to 12 in this case. To solve equations using more than one property, we have learned the 4 properties how to solve, and you can see that some examples are the mixed properties. 3x plus 8 equal to 14 means we have to minus 8 on the other side and then we have to divide the result with 3. So when the minus 8 on the other side, 3x is equal to 6, and when we are going to separate x, coefficient 3 from, so 6 by 3 equal to 2. Solving an equation with variable on both sides. If we have the same variable, as we are dealing with one variable on both sides, we can simplify to collect like terms on one side. For example, 10y minus 3 equal to 7y plus 9. We will take the y values on one side, usually taken to the left hand side, and the right hand side is fixed for the answers. So 10y minus 7y result as 3y equal to 12, because we have solved the other side as 9 plus 3. So to separate y, we will divide both equation by 3. So 3y by 3 is equal to y and 12 by 3 equal to 4. So the final equation is formed as y equal to 4. Next solution, that 2 into x minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to x plus 7 into x minus 4. Recall the expansion of the expressions. We have to expand it. 2 will be multiplied with x and 5 both. Outer number is going to multiply with both numbers inside the bracket. and hence as a result we can have 2x minus 10 plus 3x minus 6 equal to 8 plus 7x minus 28. Collecting like terms on one side, 5x minus 16, we have simplified left hand side, and the simplification of the right hand side result as 7x minus 20. Like terms on one side, 5x minus 7x equal to minus 20 plus 16, minus 2x equal to minus 4, minus will be cancelled on both sides, and then to simplify it with x result only, we will take minus 2 to the other side, and the result is x equal to 2. Now for the 5b exercise, finding an unknown in a formula. A formula expresses a rule. In algebraic terms, it makes use of variable to write instructions for performing a calculation. For example, that if it is given that if v equal to lbh, calculate the value of L when v equal to 240, b equal to 6 and h equal to 5. Here the question is given in the form of a formula, and they have given us 3 out of 4 variables involved. So we can solve it as 240 equal to L into 6 into 5. We have replaced the variable with their respective values. Multiplying it, we result as 240 equal to 30L. As we are going to find it out the value of L, we will separate it on left hand side, and the rest of the values are written as 240 by 30. The result as L equal to 8. Construction of the formula. To construct a formula, we choose letters to represent quantities before expressing in the rule. In algebraic terms, usually the first letter of the quantity is used. For example, if a question is given like state the formula for the area A of a semicircle of radius r, we know the circle area formula is pi r square. For the semicircle, half of the circle means half of the formula. So A equal to 1 by 2 pi r square, the solution of first part. The second part is hence find the area of the semicircle that has a radius of 5 cm. Now radius is given as 5 cm. We will take the pi value as 3.142. By putting the values in the given equation or formula, we have A equal to 1 by 2 into 3.142 into r square, that is 5 square. So after calculation, we have the result as area of the semicircle 39.275 centimeter square. Application of linear equation in real world context, that is related to exercise 5c. We have some word problems involving x. A number increased by 8 equal 15. Find the number. Now the number is missing. The unknown all the time is going to suppose as x. So we have done in the question, let the number be x. Then look at the question, look at the statement again. A number increased by 8. Increased by 8 means x is going to add with 8, and equal to 15 means is equal to 15. The result is 15. So hence our algebraic expression formed as x plus 8 equal to 15. This is the equation. So separating x on the left hand side, we have 15 minus 8, so the result is 7. So the number was 7. When we add 7 with 8, the result is 15. We can check our answer as well. The other example, a number is decreased by 15 and the new number obtained is multiplied by 3. The result is 81. Find the number. First we have to suppose the number, that is x. Then the number decreased by 15 means x minus 15. We have decreased 15 from x. The obtained number is x minus 15. We have to multiply it by 3 as it is given in the question. So the result is 81. Hence the complete equation form as 3 into x minus 15 equal to 81. By solving it, we can see we can separate x. Like terms on one side, x is a ln, so 3x equal to 81 plus 45, that result as 126. So x equal to 126 by 3, so result is x equal to 42. Another example is done for you from exercise 5c, that is a man is 26 years older than his son. After 10 years, he will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Now, when we have two unknown involved in the question, we suppose x for the smaller number. As son is smaller than the man 26 years, then we are going to suppose son's present age as x years. So the father's age is x plus 26. After 10 years means son age is going to increase by 10 and the father age is going to increase by 10 as well. So the son age will be after 10 years x plus 10 and the father age will be x plus 26 plus 10, that is x plus 36. Now read the statement again, that after 10 years he will be 3 times as old as his son. So after 10 years father age is x plus 30 is, that is equal to 3 times the son age after 10 years, that is 3 times x plus 10. Solving the equation as we have learned before, the result is x equal to 3. So the present age of the son is 3 years and the father age is 3 plus 26, that is 29 years. The other part of the question that we are going to solve for 5D exercise, that is simple inequalities. First we will learn what is an inequality. An inequality is made up of algebraic expressions together with the symbols such as less than, greater than, less than equal to and greater than equal to. We can use a number line to illustrate the solution of the inequality. The discussed signs are all are used to show the inequality between an expression, and the result is presented on the number line. You can see the number line shown in the slide. The negative numbers are on the left hand side and the positive numbers are on right hand side, and the middle number, that is 0. 0 is neither positive or negative. When we are going to have x as increasing number, that x is greater than, so we will move our answer to the right hand side, and as if we will get our answer as x is less than something, so we will move our number line answer to the left hand side. For example, for an inequality with an unknown x, all values of x that satisfy the inequality are called the solutions of the inequality. We can use a number line to illustrate this solution. For example, practice nowadays is going to discussed over here. 15x is greater than 75. We have to solve this inequality. Inequality questions comes in this form. So we will keep x on the left hand side and we will take 15 on the other side and it will divide 75. After solving it, we have x greater than 5. Now how to show it on the number line? We will start with 5 because x is greater than 5. We are going to move this answer line to right hand side. The lower line is showing the number line and the above line with a circle and an arrow is showing our solution of the given question. So x is greater than 5. The line is moving to the right hand side starting from 5, and you can see the circle above 5 is empty. Why is it so? Because x is greater than 5, not equal to 5. When we have an answer like x is greater than equal to 5, then we will fill this circle. That is given in the next part. You can see that 4x is less than equal to minus 16. After solving it algebraically, we can see that x is less than equal to minus 4. Now as x is less than, so x is moving towards, or all the answers are lying to the left hand side, mean all the numbers from minus 4 less than minus 4 are the solution of this equation. And you can see that the circle above minus 4 is colored. Why is it colored? Because it is written that x is less than equal to minus 4. When we have an equal line, then we will color the circle, otherwise we will not. This is all about the recap of the chapter number 5 you have done in your class. And you can practice few questions from your chapter to revise your concept. That is given as question review exercise 5 from book 1. You can solve question number 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9 for the revision purpose. Good luck, student.